Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Now let us have a look at another problem, that is fourth problem in this exercise. And in this problem they said that find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Okay, let us find. But since we don't know the numbers, first of all let us assume one of the two numbers is x. So you can guess what is the next number. You are right, that is x plus 1, because they said that these two numbers are consecutive numbers. Next, they give condition that sum of whose square is 365. It means square of this number, it means x square, and square of next number, it means x plus 1 whole square. When you add these squares, you will get 365. So that is what we are going to write now. So this is the square of first number, this is the square of second number, and we are putting plus symbol because they said sum. So when you simplify using a plus b whole square, this x plus 1 whole square, you can write x square plus 2x plus 1 a square plus 2ab plus b square. I think this formula you know, and you can expand. Now let us simplify the similar terms. X square is here and here also x square. These are the two similar terms. When you add these two, you will get 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 365. Let us transpose this 365 towards left side. So then you can write 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. And when you look at this equation, all these are even numbers. So you can take 2 common from this equation. When you take 2 common, you can write 2 of x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now if you transpose this 2 towards right side, you can multiply with 0, then it will become 0. After transposing, the equation formed is x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. So this is the equation which is going to find our two consecutive positive numbers. So to find the required numbers, we need to solve this equation. For that, first of all let us take this middle term, then let us multiply this first and last term, so you will get minus 182 x square. Now you have to split this middle term into two different terms. So I think you are guessing what are the new terms. You are right, they are 14x minus 13x. Now on what basis you are splitting? Yes, you are guessing correctly only. Now when you add these two terms, you should get plus x. When you multiply these two new terms, you should get minus 182 x square. So based on this criteria, you might have splitted this middle term as two different new terms. Now after splitting, we can write this expression as shown here on the screen. So our new, after splitting, the new expression is x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182. Now using this, we are going to find value of x is nothing but two different numbers we are going to get. Now after splitting, we got this new equation using the main equation. Now next step is from these two new terms, from these two first terms, if you take x common, you can write x into x plus 14. Similarly, from these two terms also, if you take x plus 14 common, then you have to multiply that x plus 14 with minus 13. So you will get minus 13x and minus 182. Right, let us move forward. If you take x plus 14 here and here is also x plus 14 is there. So let us take x plus 14 common. Then you can write x plus 14 into x minus 13. That is what we have written. And product of these two factors is equal to 0. It will become true when x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x plus 14 is equal to 0, then you can write x is equal to minus 14. If x minus 13 is equal to 0, then you can write x is equal to 13. Okay. So now come back to this question, find two consecutive positive numbers, but we got one is negative number, another one is positive number. So we don't require this minus 14 because we need only positive integers. So we have 13. So one number we got x value 13. So the second number is 13 plus 1 14. So our required numbers are 13 and 14 for this given equation. Hope you got good clarity on the problem which we have discussed. If yes, thanks for watching and learning, and please share and like, subscribe. Thanks for watching once again.